Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to lock your Messenger application on your Android device. Keeping your conversations private is important, and with just a few simple steps, you can add an extra layer of security to your chats. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and at the main screen where you can see your conversations. This is your starting point. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You should see a menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on that to reveal a list of options. Now, once the menu opens, you'll want to find the gear icon, which represents the settings. Tap on that gear icon to access the settings for your Messenger app. This is where you can customize numerous features to make your experience more secure. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Privacy and Safety. Give that a tap. This section is dedicated to protecting your information and managing who can see what. Once you're in Privacy and Safety, scroll down again until you find App Lock. Tapping on this option is an essential step in securing your Messenger. Now, you're almost there. When you select App Lock, you'll see an option to turn on Unlock with Biometric. Enable this feature to ensure that only you can access your Messenger app using your fingerprint. After that, it's time for the next step. You'll be prompted to touch your fingerprint on the sensor. This confirms that you want to link your fingerprint to the App Lock feature. Finally, you'll have the option to choose how long it takes for the app to automatically lock when it's not in use. Select the time period that best fits your needs, whether it's immediately, after a few minutes, or longer. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully locked your Messenger application, giving you peace of mind that your conversations are secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.